This is me, Ammar. You are watching Pakistan Peace TV, and our partner is with me. His name is Alexander. So Alexander comes from Australia, Sydney. So we want to know about it. How is journey from Australia and Sydney and Pakistan?
So at the moment, for the last year and a half, I've been walking around the world. So I've traveled over 13,500 kilometers, and now I'm here in Pakistan, in Islamabad.
Welcome to Pakistan. Uh, can you tell me about you feel any difficulties to reach in Pakistan?
No, so far, my time here in Pakistan has been amazing. The people here are so friendly. It is a little hot, but it's, going great.
Wow, that is good. Is there any difficulties, any danger, anything?
No, not at the moment, no. So far, it's been great, yeah.
Is this peace?
I think so. I think this is peace.
Wow, great. How was your days you spent on traveling? How many days?
So far, I think at about 18 months, but I've been in Pakistan for about 10 days, I think. Yeah.
How many days you will stay here in Pakistan, see the culture, beautiful, each and everything?
So I think in total I'll be here about a month. I have to keep moving because I want to get through the mountains before the snow and the winter comes. So I've got to keep moving.
Yeah, exactly. Winter is coming
Yeah.
soon, so weather is changed right now. What you say about the peaceful environment of Pakistan and beautiful scenes?
I'm looking forward to getting up into the mountains and seeing the mountains up there. Like they look incredible. It's so far to me it seems like a peaceful country.
You like mountains?
I love mountains. Yeah,
Oh.
I think Pakistan is the place to come for it.
That is great. That is great. What is your goal of travel? You are traveling for a long time.
Yeah, so my goal is to go around the world. So I think I'll be walking for another maybe 2.5, 3 years, and eventually arrive back in Australia.
One of Alexander is the great, that
Yeah.
is a warrior and historian.
Yeah.
Like you are copying this format or is something else?
Definitely inspired by Alexander the Great. No conquering for me.
Oh, no
Yeah.
conquer.
No
You are conquering. You are also visiting and traveling,
Yeah.
touring, and promoting traveling towards or something behind a specific goal and target.
So I'm fundraising for the Fred Hollows Foundation.
For what purpose? For your organization, foundation?
So they work in eye health care, so restoring sight to those who are needlessly blind.
Oh, that's great. So I'm thankful for giving time and sharing your experience of traveling about people, about Pakistan. Pakistan is a very peaceful country. All travels, tourists come here and see the beautiful mountains and beauty of Pakistan and cultures. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Welcome. You are welcome.
Shukriya.